All right, guys, so obviously it's a lot easier said than done when I show you guys the screenshots of what the before and after was for the algorithm. So I thought, you know what, let's do a recap and show you exactly what our confirmations were, what kinds of direction we were following through, what are some steps that we needed to do to get en route to all-time high. So if you look here, we had, it's already gone, but we did have a gap here. So I told everyone that be mindful, we might dip and then bounce off this 1 hour block to go to the upside after the gap side is filled. Our confirmation was these two blocks here, the 5 minute and 3 minute. So if we're going up and we start to break over here, that's confirmation that we're gonna go to the target up here. So you can pretty much take a trade as a intermediate to beginner level around here up to here. If you are more familiar with the market and you've been doing this for a while, then you could have sniped the wick from the bottom here. So it just depends on how comfortable you are and what level you are when it comes to trading. Either one still worked out. So on replay mode, we're going to forward it. All right, so there's a long wick right off of our 1 hour box. We're starting to build some momentum up. So remember, once we break where it's circled, it's confirmation to the upside, preferably here. So when this candle was over, that's when you take entry. All right. And then the target was hit. Now, how can we confirm for more upside? We had another block over here, 1 hour. And so this was a block that was holding us down. We also had an open gap up here. There's nothing else holding us back from filling that gap unless we break this block. So if this block is broken, then it's pretty much open field. So the confirmation is you can either hold your position and try to, scale out the whole ride, or you can wait and re-enter later in the day. So as you can see here, we had a blue dash. This blue dash is our resistance zone. And you're gonna see multiple rejections from the blue dash itself, right? Rejection, rejection, rejection. But it keeps trying to go up. So I told my members, okay, listen, if it's gonna go, for the fourth time to test that level, it's gonna break. 1 rejection is good for the downside. 2 rejections is better. 3 rejections a little iffy. 4 rejections, okay, it's not gonna hold it no more. It's going to break through. And so you can see that it looked like it was gonna go down, but after the 4th rejection, we're now breaking through the blue dash. So now is the time to enter for the gap fill. Like I said, after this box is broken on the 1 hour, there's nothing to hold us back. And then you can see that box is now going to act as our support zone. And the rest of the day, we just grind up. Now at this point here, you can obviously trim and take some profits, but we're so close to the gap. There's no point of leaving it open, especially for tomorrow. Might as well just get it over with. It might be, within the last 30 minutes. It might even be the last 5 minutes. Sometimes that's what happens. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, the effort was put and the confirmation was there. We got the hits and pretty much going en route to the all-time highs again. So this 1 hour box was our bottom. The algo's direction was to the upside, so we only look for upside plays. Our first confirmation were these box breaks here. That's to the algo's target. And then their second play was this box break with the blue dash and enter for a gap fill to be your extended target, or if it was your first trade of the day, then your first target. So that's pretty much our confirmation, how the algo worked with our system, our directions, our targets, our setups. This is what we call an A+ setup. It's when everything aligns perfectly well. And yeah, there was just really, really high confidence in today's action and price action. And I'd rather take, some days off a week where I don't see A+ setups to have that one big trade like this to confirm we're going to get it. So I'll see you guys at the next big A+ setup.